Hey guys, today we're adding permanent lock extensions to this client's hair. So you can see the client already has hair on her head. So instead of burying that hair into the lock extensions, I am creating instant locks using the crochet needle method with her own hair before adding those extensions to the end of that. Now this client already bought hair extensions online, but normally I would make the hair extensions for the clients based on the size and length that they need and a color matching to their hair. I do not, however, buy the bulk hair for the clients. I usually instruct them to go purchase the hair at a recommended store and ensuring that it matches their hair color, and that way we're on the right track. But this client had a hair that was slightly lighter in color, but it worked out well. Here, as you can see, I'm all done attaching all the extensions and instant locking the client's hair before doing so. The client wanted a 2-strand twist style, so I set her up. You know I got it locked, so please subscribe and turn your notification on.